Hello, estate planning mom here, Krista Hermance. Okay, so do you have a child that is 18 or older? So today I'm going to be going through three documents that children over the age of 18 need to have. This is really important, especially as I see in my news feed, all of these parents going and doing college tours and kids accepting college admissions to various schools all over the country. This is a really important topic. So if you know of anybody that has kids that are either turning 18 or 18 and going off to college, this is really great information. Okay, so three documents that your kids need if they are 18 or over. And the reason for this is that a lot of times parents don't understand that when your child turns 18, you no longer have any legal authority over them. You, from a financial perspective, from a medical perspective, just because they're still on your insurance doesn't mean that you can access any of their medical information, right? It's all protected. And so these three documents can help make sure that if something happened, I know it's hard to think about and you don't want to, but again, it's just planning, right? If something happened, you would have the legal authority to be able to make medical decisions for them, do financial things that need to be done. Okay, first document, an advanced healthcare directive. So this document allows your child to identify an agent, which could be you as a parent, um, the agent the ability to make medical decisions on their behalf if they were unable to do so. It also has certain end of life decisions that are listed in there: cremation, burial, prolonged life support. All of these things I know that we don't want to think about when it comes to our kids, but it's so important that it's legally documented. Without this document, I have heard horror stories where parents are home, their kids are away at school, and because documentation like this was never signed, doctors may not be able to give that information or talk to parents over the phone. This is why this is a really important one. And the next document is a power of attorney. Specifically, I like the durable power of attorney. And what this document does is it allows the child to be able to identify an agent, parents, if they want them to be able to make financial decisions on their behalf if they were unable to do so. Calling the credit card company, signing a lease, any of the things, going to the bank, doing these things that you wouldn't necessarily be able to do if the child didn't give you the authority to do it. In California, we actually have the ability to do a springing power of attorney, in which case, for right now, you might not want your parents to have the control to be able to have that power. It's only if something happened that they would get it. So it's really up to the child, or now adult, to be able to decide, do they want parents to be involved now? And a lot of times they do, or do they want it only if something happens? The last document is a HIPAA authorization. This allows your child to be able to list the people that, if something happened and they were unable to communicate, these would people that were identified on this list would be able to talk to doctors, get medical records, find out, any information that was going on. And again, this is really important, especially if you have kids that are going away to school, so that if something happened, you could provide this HIPAA authorization to the hospital or doctors and be able to then talk to them and find out what was going on. So again, advanced healthcare directive, durable power of attorney, and a HIPAA authorization. If you need help trying to figure out what documents your kid needs to be able to make sure that they have this plan in place, please contact our office and we'll be happy to help you. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.